So, we are discussing the top 60 topics in physiology which have been asked in the past 15 years of NEET PG All India entrance exam before NEET PG. Yeah. Now, medicophile is saying, sir, mnemonics kaha gaye? Correct. We'll start from tomorrow. 5 mnemonics. I think mnemonics are favorite. Ban raha hai. Definitely. I'm also enjoying creating mnemonics. At least 5 mnemonics every day. We will do that from tomorrow onwards. No worries. Now, male reproductive system is the next important topic, which is not a content of sperm. Sperm का structure कैसा होता है? Sperm में एक lysosome, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, these are all there. So you have a tail, there is a mitochondria, middle piece, and in the head you have an acrosome, nucleus, centriole. Neck is what you have to fundamentally remember. Yes. Spermatogenesis, mainly, how is it controlled is my question to all of you. Take a little long shot. Yes. Okay. Now, it is the follicle stimulating hormone, FSH, which is the one which takes care of the spermatogenesis. Gonadotropin releasing hormone is produced, LH, FSH are released. FSH works on the Sertoli cells and it causes the release of the androgen binding protein. LH causes the release of testosterone and that enhances the spermatogenesis. Then there is inhibin. Inhibin is released by the Sertoli cells and inhibin goes back and inhibits the release of the gonadotropin releasing hormone is what you have to ultimately remember. Now doc, who contributes to the production of the testosterone is my question to all of you. It is the interstitial cells of lady. You need to have an idea, picture about the histology of the testis, which is the favorite area tested by the examiner. Very good. I'm happy to see you keep punching the answers. That is how you are actively participating even during the class also. So during the class, we will try to discuss 50 to 60 questions. During quiz, another 30 questions, about 100 questions समझो every day. Every day 100 questions आप मुरली भरद्वाज के साथ revision कर रहे हैं. 30 quiz में 50-60 in terms of the regular class. 100 questions रोज revision हो रहे हैं तो 300 days में आपको 30,000 questions का revision हो जाएगा and 30,000 questions हम discussed, debated, discharged. आपको count रखेगा to become the topper. On the top of it, you also have a U-Medico app with all the video library and all these discussions going on. And anywhere in the home, you can sit and participate on the YouTube live class and U-Medico video library. In fact, YouTube is free. So no need of wasting money on costly face-to-face classes and lose your composure with all jam-packed weekend classes, crash courses. ये सबको आग लगा के फेंक देना. That is what you should do. You should be proactive, activated every day, enjoy reading from anywhere, part of a cohort. That is the whole purpose of these free sessions of YouTube live broadcast. So doctor, you have interstitial cells of Leydig, seminiferous tubules, interstitial connective tissue, and tunica albuginea. Then there are seminiferous tubules. Then you are having the septa. So this is how the histological cross section typically looks like. If you look at seminiferous tubules, इसका histology कैसे रहता है? Stratified germinal epithelium on a basement membrane. That's how you describe the seminiferous tubules, and they are all surrounded by connective tissue. Testis में ऐसे seminiferous tubules are typically located, and between them there is an interstitium where the Leydig cells are typically located. And what does this stratified germinal epithelium of the seminiferous tubule contain? There are spermatogenic cells and supporting cells called circle. Spermatogenic cells में different levels होता है, like your assistant professor, additional professor, associate professor, professor. So वैसा spermatogonia, primary spermatocytes, secondary spermatocytes, spermatids, spermatozoa, they are the various stages of the development of the sperms is what you need to basically remember. Yes? Now, subtly cells, इसका story क्या है? 4-5 points that you need to remember. They form the intercellular junction, एक cell और दूसरे cell के बीच में, and they support, they protect, they offer nutrition to all those developing spermatozoa. नन्हे मुन्ने लाड़ों जो spermatozoa grow हो रहे हैं, उसको खाना खिलाना, protect करना, support करना, ये काम होता है subtly cells का. They also have a phagocytic ability, so that spermatid में ज्यादा cytoplasm तैयार हो रहे तो उसको जरा cleaning करने के लिए you require subtly cells. Subtly cells also produce anti-Mullerian hormone inhibin. They are produced by the subtly cells. Favorite MCQ, many times asked in the entrance exam. You are going to bookmark this slide, set up the reminder, you will get the notification for you if you are forgetting. So that is how you need to strengthen your preparation using the UMedico app, where all these PowerPoint slides will be available in the notes. They help in the formation of the blood testis barrier is what you need to remember, subtly cells. So these are the cells of stratified germinal epithelium, जिसमें subtly cells ऐसे दिखता. Spermatocytes are like this, spermatogonium is like this, spermatid is like this, and this is the typical histological picture. At least एक मर्तबे देख लिए तो tomorrow entrance exam में guess मारने के लिए दिमाग काम करेगा. So that should be your goal. You should have the working knowledge in all these topics. Now doc, interstitial Leydig cells, इसका story क्या है? 4-5 points about it. These are polyhedral eosinophilic cytoplasm. They produce the testosterone when they are being stimulated by the luteinizing hormone. That is their main function. Now, 3-4 points about epididymis. So what is epididymis? It is a long, kitna long? 5 to 6 meters, highly coiled, and it starts at rete testis, in the testis, and it ends up, continues with the vas deferens. That is the epididymis. What is the type of epithelium of epididymis? Many times this question was asked in JIPMER, AIMS, PGI, all entrance exams. Pseudo-stratified columnar epithelium with apical stereocilia, and it has a thin, smooth muscular layer, loose connective tissue, and main function क्या होता है epididymis का? Epididymis will help the spermatozoa. It is a swimming teacher. It will help the spermatozoa using their tail to start swimming is what you need to understand. So transport and maturation of the spermatozoa happens in the epididymis, which is like a swimming teacher because of the presence of the stereocilia inside the epididymis.